Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon po, sir.
Afternoon. All right, please open your camera now. Thank you. So again, if I'm going to check your output here, and then pag nakita ko na hindi ko klaro yung sulat, ipapaulit ko sa inyo. I'm scanning your work now. Alright, so we'll discuss your assignment. May apat pa rin hindi nakapasa dito. Sino ba to? Adrian, Leo, Jeremiah Pechon, dito ba kayo?
Yes, sir. Papasok ako po mamaya po, sir. Ngayon po nakita, sir.
Sino yung nagsasalita? Si Pechon? Anong, ba't din pa napasa?
Ngayon ko lang po pala nakita, sir. Hindi ko po nakita kahapon.
Adrian? Ito si Adrian? So yun guys ha, dapat ano kayo, huwag niyong i-off yung notification sa Google Classroom niyo. Alright, so we'll start with anong items ba yung sinagutan natin? Page 84, number, let's start with number 2. Friends, what's your answer for number 2, test 1?
Rational, sir.
Okay, number 2 is rational. Okay, that's correct. And next item, we have number 3. Number 3, what's your answer, Hans Lianyo? Number 3.
Not rational.
Correct, not rational. Okay, that's correct. Now let's go to number 5. Number 5, Nathaniel.
Wait lang po. Number 5 po, rational.
Number 5 is rational. By the way, yung number 3 natin, sino yung tinanong ko kanina sa number 3? Si Hans. What makes number 3 not rational, Hans? Yung sa equation natin. What makes number 3 not rational, Hans Lianyo? Just a follow-up question there. Because there is you can have it in the group chat na lang, or in the Zoom chat, yung sagot mo.
Dahil po may square root.
Okay, a radical sign. Thank you for that. Bakit Villamor, pinakita ba sa iba yung teachers ang grades niya? Yung subject? Yung subject yung napakita, Sir Bernard? Or Science and Filipino? Sa atin, surprise lang. Okay, let's go to number 6. Number 6, we have Nicole. Surprise lang sa atin.
Hello po. Ano po,
Yeah.
yung number 6 po is rational.
Okay, number 6 is rational. Okay lang ba, Villamor, surprise?
Sige lang, sir.
Okay na. Let's go to number 8. Para ma-surprise kayo. It's either maghanda kayo ng magsuot kayo ng maraming shorts para hindi paluin ng nanay nyo, or well, just to give you a hint, I'm a generous man in terms of grades. So as long as you comply, huwag lang pasaway. Okay, number 8, you have there, you're going to find the 4 unknowns, the domain range, the zeros, the location or vertical, and then the horizontal asymptotes. Yeah, it's okay, Jeric. Yeah, go ahead, Clarence. So for number 8, this is your question. What do you got this one? William Moore. Yeah. Okay, so for number 8, let's have MJ, number 8. Explain to us, how did you get your answers there for number 8?
Sir,
Yeah.
to be honest po, yung
Go ahead.
domain lang po yung nasagot. Ay, yung range po pala, sir, nasagutan ko po pero hindi ko po alam kung paano kunin. Pero yung iba po alam ko.
Yung iba alam mo?
Opo. So, sir, sasabihin ko pa rin po ba yung sagot ko?
Yes.
Sige po. So, sa number 8 po, yung given is x minus 4 times x plus 2 over x minus 3 times x minus 1. So, yung domain ko po is a set of few numbers not equal to 1 and 3. So, all real numbers except 1 and 3 po. Tapos, yung range ko po, sir,
Okay, initially, what made you decide na the domain should not be equal to 3 and 1?
kasi po, 3 and 1 po will make the denominator 0. So, pagka po naging 0 po siya, magiging undefined. So, yun po yung restrictions. Therefore, yun po yung domain.
Correct.
Ay po. So, yung
Alright.
range ko po, sir, yun nga po. Pero ang sagot ko po is y is less than 9 minus 3 square root of 5 over 2. Tsaka po y is greater than 9 plus 3 square root of 5 over 2. So, baka po sa quadratic equation. And then next po, yung zeros.
How did you get your value there sa range? Paano mo na?
Yes po, sir. Hindi ko po alam kung
What? How did you decide na ano, yan yung nilagay mo dyan na sagot? Kasi may nakita din ako dito mga sagot nila ni... Sino ba ito nga dito? I'm scanning your answers here actually. Sige.
Pero sir, ano po, ginraph ko po, inaano ko po kasi siya, in-input ko po siya sa graphing calculator. And
Okay.
then yung points po ng y, opo, tama. Yung ibang points po ng y na pwede rin po mag-indicate ng range is ito pong dalawang points po na to. So, nilagay ko po siya kasi nung nakita ko po yung graph, mukhang tama naman po.
Yeah. Actually, that's correct. Okay, si ano mo na, tanungin ko muna si Nathaniel Marquez. How did you get your range for number 8 there?
Ano, sir?
How did you get your range for number 8?
Sinerch ko lang po. Hindi ko po gets ko paano ko din yung range.
So, yeah, number 8 talaga. Yeah. So, sino pa ba dito mga nakakuha ng number 8? Carla Espera also.
Yun din, sir. Search lang.
Vil, did you try?
Sir, sir? Nung una, rin
Okay.
ako, sir. Like, sinerch ko lang. Tapos, kaninang umaga, tinry ko mag-quadratic. Sir, naging imaginary number. Tapos, sir, tapos, ewan ko kung saan nanggaling yung, yung 9. Kasi pag ginraph niya, sir, tatlo yung lines.
Okay.
Ewan ko, sir, paano tawag doon. Kaya, ayun.
Yeah, kasi supposedly kasi ano pala dito, since we did not yet discuss graphing rational functions, supposedly we will not include yet the the domain and range. Kasi one way that will help you, what do you call this one? One way that will help you tell the domain and range is by graphing, right? Kasi doon mo makikita talaga kung hanggang saan yung limit. Will it touch this line? Will it touch the horizontal asymptote or the vertical asymptotes? Okay. So, ayan. Siguro dito sa domain na lang at saka sa range, hindi ko muna yan lagyan ng points yan dito sa inyo. Okay. Yung domain and range. And then dito na lang ako maglagay ng points doon. So for sure, itong vertical at saka horizontal asymptotes at saka yung intercepts, zeros. Na-discuss natin yan, di ba? So we will give points on that one. So, okay, balik tayo kay MJ sa letter. So, okay na yung iwanan muna natin yung sa, although yung domain is, di ba yung domain is madali lang yung kunin ng domain. What will make the restrictions there? Okay. Sige, punta muna tayo sa MJ dun sa letter B or yung zeros natin.
Okay po. So yung zeros ko po, sir, what will make the numerator 0? 4 and -2 po. Yun po yung sagot ko.
Okay,
And then yung
so-
vertical...
Okay, please remind your classmates, MJ, sorry. Please remind your classmates how to get the zeros.
Okay po. So, sir, yung sa zeros lang naman po, I thought of the numbers nga po that will make the numerator 0. And obviously po, it's 4. Kasi po, pag ginawa pong 4 yung isa, 4 minus 4, magiging 0 po siya, tas times yung, so magiging
Okay.
0. And then, pag -2 naman po, -2 plus 2 will make it 0. So, 0 times yung isa pong binomial, magiging 0 pa rin po siya. So, yun po yung zeros.
Okay, so you're just simply equating that one to 0, di ba? Yung sa numerator mo. Okay, and the next one is yung vertical asymptotes. How you get your vertical asymptotes?
The vertical asymptotes naman po, magiging dalawa po yung vertical asymptote kasi po yung nasa baba po, dalawa po yung pwede nating i-equate to 0 since wala naman pong na-cancel through reducing the equation. So x minus 3 equating it to 0 will be x is equal to 3, and then x minus 1 equating it to 0 will be x is equals to 1. Yun po yung dalawa.
Okay, that's correct. That's your vertical asymptotes. And your horizontal asymptote,
And the last one po, 1 po.
why?
Wait lang sir, hindi ko matandaan bakit 1. My sir, wait, hindi ko po matandaan kung paano naging, sige, ano.
Yeah, tutulungan ka daw ni Villamor. Villamor, unmute.
Ano question, sir? Sir, so di ba yung pagkuha nung parang yung horizontal, yung parang sa coefficient, so bali 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. Pero sir, pag
Mhm.
in-rough niyo siya, sir, hindi siya mag-touch sa 1.
Yeah, that's the tawag nito. Yun naman talaga ang asymptotes, guys. It will go closer and closer but will never touch the asymptote.
Hindi sir, like, ewan ko sir, sinerch ko lang din po kasi ito kasi medyo na-weirdoan ako sa graph, tapos ito po yung lumabas, hindi po 1. Kaya, noong una nagtataka rin po ako kung ba't ganito.
But by
Like-
just pero when you evaluate the what they call this one, the equation itself, tawag nito, the coefficient there of the highest degree, kung i-distribute mo yan, di ba, magiging quadratic yan, di ba? Tama, magiging quadratic yan equation. So it will just give you, kasi magiging ano yan x squared minus 2x, tama ba? X squared minus 2x plus 8 at saka x squared minus 4x plus 3. So pareho sila ng degree there, walang top heavy or bottom heavy. So coefficient there 1/1 lang, or just simply equal to 1, which is your horizontal asymptote. Okay? So nakuha mo 1 din yung sagot nyo, Villamor? Hindi 1 yun sa'yo?
Hindi sir, iba sir.
Parang hindi naging 1.
Ewan ko rin sir, nung sinerch ko sir, ito lumabas eh. Malitog na
Lumabas,
guluhan din ako eh. Ano siya sir, union, tas ano.
Ay, baka ano yun, tawag nito, mga range yon, part ng pag may
Hindi
union.
sir, horizontal asymptote daw po siya.
Slant, if ever. Slant or oblique. Pero for this case, horizontal talaga ang meron dito, hindi slant. Okay. Ahmad, you're trying to say something? Okay. Bonus ba? I'll say that one. If may wala talagang restrictions dyan na iba. I'll check. Hindi ko pa naman yan i-finalize yan. Okay, let's go to, I will not decide now, Villamor. Let's go to number 9. We'll see. Okay, number 9. Kasama bang number 9? Tama. Number 9, 8, 9, 11. Okay, number 9. We have here gyrus, number 9.
Sir, explain ko pa yung sagot ko po.
Yep.
Okay. So, yung function sa number 9 is y is equal to 3x minus 9 over x squared minus x minus 6. So, yung ginawa ko is finactor ko po siya. Tapos,
Okay.
yung lumabas is 3 over x plus 2.
Alright.
Kasi, naging ganyan kasi like 3 times x minus 3 tapos sa denominator x minus 3 times x plus 2. Kaya, kinancel ko yung x minus 3.
Okay, by the way, Jairus, you can screen share your output, please.
Sige po, sir.
We'll allow you to screen share.
Kita na ba po?
Nag-loading pa. Ayan.
Okay. So, ayan. Tapos, ayan, kinancel ko. Tapos, ayan, 3 over x plus 2. Tapos, yung vertical asymptote, inequate ko yung denominator. Kaya, x equals negative 2. Tapos, yung horizontal, 0 siya kasi yung 3 over x plus 2, like, ang tawag dito? Basta yung degree ba yun? Like, yung x plus 2 greater siya than yung 3 kaya 0, y is equal to 0. Tapos, yung mga zeros, sir, hindi ako sure. Yung nilagay ko is wala siyang zeros. Kasi, hindi ko like, 3 naman to. Tapos, pag ginawa ko siyang, tawag dito, negative 2, like, magiging 0 siya, maging undefined. Kaya,
Maging undefined. Kaya there are
Opo.
no zeros.
Tapos, yung wholes po is x is equals to 3 kasi may kinancel ako na x minus 3. Yan lang, sir.
So, ibig sabihin, hindi yan may include when you graph the equation, hindi yan may include on yung x equals 3. Kasi yan yung na-cancel niya. Alright? So, how about here? May iba ba kayong sagot dito? Zeros, none. Y equals 0, horizontal asymptote. Okay, that's correct. So, saka na yung domain and range. Although, pinakita doon ni Jairus, yung domain niya is lahat ng real numbers except 3 and, kung makita niyo sa equation, except 3 and negative 2. Alright, so next number 11. Number 11 ba yun? Number 11, we have... Okay, number 11, Carol. Number 11.
Okay, so yung zeros ko po is 2 and negative 2. Vertical
Okay. That's correct. 2 and negative 2.
vertical asymptote is x is equal to 0. And horizontal asymptote po, none.
Okay, bakit none?
Kasi, sir, hindi ko po sure kung, hindi ko po kasi, sir, hindi ako sure.
Wants to explain bakit walang horizontal asymptote dito sa problem number 11 or item 11? I see someone raising. Sige, si Ahmad. Ahmad?
Oblique po yung asymptote.
Oblique yung kanyang
Asymptote.
asymptote. Meaning to say, what do you mean by oblique?
Sabihin po, hindi po siya parang straight line.
Okay, either
Naka
it's
slant.
Slant. So hindi siya naka
Straight.
higa. Okay. So do you agree, MJ, and sino yung nag-raise ng hand na Villamor? You have the same reason? Same reason. MJ, same reason. So it has an oblique or slant asymptote. Okay, so for number 11, I think tama test number 11. Then what else? Next, 21 and 22. So for 21, you were asked for the zeros and then the intercepts of the rational functions. Okay, 21. Let's have 21. Rosette, 21. Yeah, Jillian, you can go to the CR. Sorry, I haven't replied you there. You can go to the CR, Jillian.
Wait lang po. Hello?
Yes, we can hear you.
Ayan, sir. Ayan po, sir. Just do your math po. Makukuha nyo na po yung yung 0 po na negative 10. Wait lang po.
So, paano mo ginawa yung negative 10?
Opo. Tapos yung y-intercept po, syempre, nakuha po yun by...
Give me, tell us the process. Paano mo ginawa just to give a
Yung sa zeros
recall.
po?
Yep. Para ma-recall yung mga klase mo.
21.
Start with the x-intercept.
X-intercept po. Sige po.
Yeah.
Sa x-intercept po ay nag-cross multiply. So, bale, 0/1 times x plus 10 over x minus 5. So, ang matitira is x plus 10. And then equate po.
Ano yung sinabi mo ulit? 0/1?
Opo, 0/1 po. Di ba po magko-cross multiply sa?
Okay. Cross multiply or
Opo.
equate to 0. Okay.
Opo, pagkatapos mo mag-cross multiply, equate po sa 0 yung ano. So, magiging x is equal to -10.
Alright, so you let f of x equals 0.
Sa y-intercept po yun, di ba? Yung
Yeah.
yung
Okay,
x-intercept po yung explain ko.
okay. Yeah, continue.
Sa y-intercept po, yun po yung f. Ang magiging value po ng x is 0.
Alright.
So, ang matitira po is, tawag dito. Magulo po kasi yung solution ko. 2 over, saan yung number 21? 2 over -1 po. Kasi 10 over -5. Madidivide po yung 10 sa 5. 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. So, magiging -2 po yung y-intercept.
Okay, your y-intercept is -2. Okay, correct. Tama yung x-intercept 1 sa y-intercept. And now you go to your zeros. How you get your zeros again, please?
The zeros naman po. So, bali ang restricting po is makukuha sa denominator na x minus 5.
Yes.
So, yung 0 po automatically is x is equal to -10. Yung sa numerator po. Since isa lang po siya.
Since isa lang siya. Okay. How about the others? Meron ba kayo ibang sagot? Okay, thank you for that, Rosette. Thank you. The number ulit yung 21. Okay. Zeros, -10. So same answer, walang ibang sagot ha? Baka may iba yung approach niya. Okay, same answer, -10. Thank you for that one, Rosette. And next one, last number, 22. Let me call here. Princess. Princess Kabangahan, please, number 22.
So, yung... Ay, hala. Okay. So, yung x... Wala akong... Okay, sige. Yung x-intercept ko, square root of gx plus 2. Tapos, yung y-intercept ko, 2
Again. What's your x-intercept again?
Square root of gx plus 2 po.
Square root of gx?
3x.
I think you got the wrong item. Number 22, ha?
Opo. Sir, iba na lang.
Ano yung sagot mo ulit? Square root of? Why is there still a variable in your answer?
Dakbang sir. Sir, sige, iba na lang.
Okay, hold on. Sige, Princess, mag-mute ko muna. Kirk?
Yung equation po ay x squared minus 3x plus 2 over x squared minus 6x plus 5. So, sa A po, yung 0 ko ay x equals 2. Kasi po, sabi sa book, yung 0 daw yung yung value ng x na nagagawing 0 yung numerator. So, 2 po yung value ng x na gagawing 0 yung numerator sa equation. And x-intercept kapag 0 yung y. Okay, yung y-intercept po muna. Kapag 0 yung x. So, ang nakuha ko po dyan ay 0 and 2 over 5. Kapag replace na po yung x by 0.
So that is your y-intercept?
Opo.
2 over 5, okay? And
And sa x-intercept, hindi ko po matandaan yung ginawa ko. Pero 2, 0 po yung coordinates.
2, 0. Tama? Yung sinabi mo, 2, 0?
Opo.
Alright. What do you mean di mo matandaan paano kinuha yan? What you did was equate. Diba? Did you reduce the term?
Opo.
Okay, so ano yung reduced term mo? X minus 2 over?
Over x minus 5 po.
Okay, over x minus 5. So maiwan mo na lang is yung x minus 2. I-equate mo sa 0. Kasi yung x minus 5 is i-multiply mo yan sa f of x mo na ginawa mong 0. Diba? So you will have x equals positive 2. Okay, may tanong? The same ba yung sagot nyo? X equals positive 2 sa number 22 for the x-intercept. Yeah, Jeric, you can go. Tinitingnan ko dito yung mga, may mga nagpasa pa rin na hindi ko mababasa. So, alam niyo na if mag-message ako sa inyo dito sa private comment. You have to rewrite. Is Ahmad, ano yung isang x-intercept, Ahmad? 1? Yeah. 1. How about the others? Isa lang ba yung x-intercept niyo sa number 22? Or dalawa? Is it 1 and 2? Isa lang? Isa lang yung iba? Yeah. Bakit? How about 1? Why is it not 1? Yung isa yung x-intercept. Why not include 1? You go back there to find the x-intercept on page yun. Finding the x-intercept. Okay. There. Di ba tawag nito dun sa denominator, nireduce na po kasi yung equation, so di na po sinama yung 1. Nireduce niya yung dalawa po sa akin kasi dalawa po yung power. 2 at 1 po cancel pala. So cancel yung isa, di ba, Ahmad? Okay. In the reduced term. Yeah. So if you will not reduce the equation, so makita mo dalawa, but since maka-cancel yung, di ba yung factor ng equation natin is the factor equation there, yung factor out natin dyan is x minus 2, x minus 1, yung sa numerator. Sa denominator naman, x minus 5, x minus 1. Tama? So, maka-cancel yung x minus 1 dyan. So, kaya isa na lang yung mo dito, x-intercept. So, na-reduce na po kasi yung equation. Yeah, that's it. Na-reduce na yung equation. Okay, so basically, guys, in learning these vertical asymptotes and horizontal asymptotes, we'll be moving on to how to graph a rational function. Now, in graphing a rational function, it is important to know the, what do you call this one? The vertical and horizontal asymptotes. And then, syempre, di ba, when we want to graph, we need points. Then, i-connect na lang natin yan. So, kaya gagawa rin tayo dito ng table of values. So, in making table of values, dito tayo magkakamali if magkakamali tayo sa pag-substitute ng values. Okay? So, it can be that for rational function, not for complex, so magiging reflection lang yan. The graph on the other side may reflect on the bottom. Pwede ka may graph dito sa first quadrant, magre-reflect yan dito sa third quadrant. Or sa first quadrant, magre-reflect sa second quadrant. Or pwede rin yung sa first quadrant, magre-reflect dito sa fourth quadrant. Now, how you will know that one is by simply giving values to your equation and then plotting that one. And then there in your graph also, you can find your domain and your range. So tuturuan ko kayo paano kunin yung domain and range in looking at your rational graph of your rational function. Kasi doon mo makikita yung mga union ng yung mga domain or range. Okay? So when you say union, doon mo makita yung alin yung values na hindi kasama doon sa graph. Okay? So when you write the domain or range, you will be learning how to write it using union symbol, not just yung all real numbers, yung mga ginagawa niyo, Villamor, di ba yung x such that x. Okay, so I think mas better if yung may union. Kasi makita mo talaga yung limit ng domain mo at saka range. Kasi nakita ko dito sa, although this is also correct naman yung mga ginawa niyo dito. X such that x values must not be equal to 0 or y such that y values are all elements of real numbers. Tama yung mga ginagawa niyo. But the other way lang, ituturo ko sa inyo the other way of writing. So since we cannot also finish this one, if we start, I want you to study in advance dito sa part ng graphing rational functions. That will be 2.3. So you have there, siguro kung babasahin nyo, I don't know if malilito kayo dyan. So I will just give examples next week. Yung mga simple examples para na yun na yung pagbabasihan natin how to graph rational function. Because in graphing also, I think sa calculus nyo, I don't know if nag-start na ba kayo ng graphing doon sa mga ellipse, hyperbole, hyperbola. Nag-start na kayo doon, di ba? So siguro wala na kayong problema dito. Kasi general lang to doon talaga, specific talaga yun doon sa calculus. Secretary, absent ngayon?
Si Gayus po.
Gayus. No. Petron, Mayo, and Leo. Nandito si Leo, di ba? Nandito ba si Leo? Leo Mendoza. Let me check. Saan ba dito si Leo Mendoza? Leo, pwede kang mag-open cam for a while? Gusto lang kita makita ulit. I haven't seen you for a while. Leo, are you there? Leo, please give me your response dito sa group chat if you're still there. If you can't open your camera. Alright. Anyways, so see you tomorrow na lang, Leo, sa chemistry natin. So guys, thank you so much for your time and I see you tomorrow, chemistry time.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. Bye-bye.
Bye for now.